Guys, today we are going to solve the question which is asked in SBI Clerk 2023. So in this question they have given one quadratic equation 3x square minus 26x plus n equal to 0. In that they have given roots of the equation L and M. We have to consider L and M are roots of this quadratic equation, and in that L is greater than M, and value of M they have given. Value of M is 8 by 3, and we have to validate whether these conditions, and based upon that we have to choose the option. So let us consider a quadratic equation. So for example, I will just explain the rule of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. So in any quadratic equation, there is one rule. So let us consider roots of this quadratic equation. When we solve this quadratic equation, we get roots. So roots of quadratic equation, let us consider here c and d. This is for just a rule. So in that sum of roots of quadratic equation will be minus b by a, and their multiplication or product will be c by a. So this is the rule of quadratic equation. For any quadratic equation, the sum of the roots will be minus b by a. B is coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square, and product of root is c by a. C is this number, and a is c is this constant, and a is coefficient of x square. So we will use same concept to solve this one. So 3x square minus 26x plus n equal to 0. So in this, they have given roots of quadratic equation as L plus M. So sum of roots is minus b by a. So in this case minus b is here, b is there. So minus b will be minus of minus 26. So here it is plus, so here minus. So minus b means minus minus 26, and value of a is 3. So it is minus minus plus 26 by 3. So here it is minus b by a, but here it is minus. So minus of minus will be plus 26 by 3. So, and we can solve further this. They have given the value of m. M is 8 by 3. So in the question only they given, so we can substitute this value of m here. So 26 by 3. So this is 8 by 3. This is 8 by 3. So we can further solve this. L equal to here 26 by 3 minus 8 by 3. So since denominator are equal, we can write it as 26 minus 8 divided by 3. So 26 minus 8 is 18 divided by 3. So it is 6. So value of L is 6. Value of L is 6. And M in the question they have given 8 by 3. M is 8 by 3. So these are the roots of this equation. And one more, they have given here value n. So the product of roots is c by a. So in this case c is n. For these quadratic equations, value of c is n. We can compare this. C is n, and value of a is 3. Okay, so we can substitute value of L and M here. 6 into 8 by 3 divided by n by 3. So 6 into 8 by 3, n by 3. So 3 cancel. So value of n will be 6 into 8. It will be 48. So we have found value of L, value of M, and value of n. So these we have found. So now we will check the conditions. Yes, highest common factor of n and L is equal to 50% of 50% more than m. 50% more than m. First we will calculate the highest common factor of n and L. HCF of n and L means value of n is 48, and value of L is 6. So we need to find the common factor of highest common factor of this. So 48 we can write it as, so we can factor method we can do it. 48 is 12 into 4. So 12 into 4 we can write 6 into 2 into 4, and 6 we can write it as 6 into 1. So highest common factor is 6. So HCF of 48 and 6 is 6. So we need to validate whether 6 is equal to 50% more than m, means 50% more than m. So 50% more than m is m plus 50% m. Just we need to validate here 6 is equal to 50% more than m. So value of m is 8 by 3, and 50% means 1 by 2, and m is 8 by 3. So here we can solve this 8 by 3. So it is 2 ones are 2 fours are. So it will be 4 by 3. So 8 plus 12, 8 plus 4 is 12 by 3. So 4. So 6 equal to 4. This is wrong. 6 is not equal to 4. So condition 1 is wrong. So we will now validate condition 2. The value of n is perfect cube. So value of n is 48, and we can see that 48 is not a perfect cube. So option second is also wrong. And option third is n is a multiple of 1. So n is 48. 48 is a multiple of 1. So this is correct. Means every number will be multiple of 1. So 48 will be multiple of 1. So our option is third one, option 3 is correct. So our option will be only 3. Yeah, this is the way to solve the guys. Thank you.